Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. How are you doing, guys? Hello. So we should have here SVOD4, which is professional programmer, and I expect nothing less than that. That's the best what I could find online. It costed 442 pounds, no, dollars. So we will check how much I paid because I don't recall. Just buying for business, you don't look at that much the prices, you just look for the best product you want for your business, and then you just get in it, yes, when you think you can or you should. So yay. I could wait several weeks and risk it buying from SVOD project and pay only maybe 260 plus duty pay. Euros. But we've got quite a few things which we need this programmer for, and our CH341 is not delivering, so I'll tidy up the mess later. So let's see what we have been sent. Okay. SVOD project. Okay, not a lot. A bunch of different wires. Yes. That's for keyboard, usually. These are for keyboards. You can Google more about this SVOD programmer online. I'm not affiliated in any way or anything. I just wanted to have for the business. Okay, so it has a stand. So that's how it's looking. We just have laptops and other stuff like Sony TVs and so on, which we need to program, and we struggle with some of them. So the goal is to use this programmer and have just a better solution for our customers. Then you get adapter for the keyboard adapter as well in the packaging, and then it comes with a cable, USB cable. It's USB 2.0 premium cable, and it's connect, so it's nothing special, nothing extraordinary. 28 AWG. Nothing really, not something which we could say wow. Now, how good this programmer is, I know only from the internet. And on the internet there are several YouTube channels which I like to listen about certain things. And when I see when some of those YouTube channels are using their equipment, this was the most recommended. And yes, it's not cheap. Oh, okay, sorry guys. This is not the cheapest one. That's one of the dearest ones. But we expect nothing less from it than top-notch quality. That's the board. The back of the board, you've got only pinout. And then the printer regular cable. Just their USB cable, yes. A to B. Nothing extraordinary. And I'll have to learn a bit about this programmer, download software because there is a free software with it. So we need to learn about it, a bit, and once I will learn, I will show you examples of using it. Don't get me wrong, not everyone needs SVOD4, yes, or SVOD3, but SVOD3 is not sold anymore, so SVOD4 is the way to go, and it's dear, it's not cheap, it's not for everyone, but because we are growing a number of people who are helping me here, so then we need, yes, we need solutions which every desk will have particular equipment, and one of them was this thermal camera is coming as well. We were till now okay with no camera. I was having this 8x8, but it's rubbish. Don't buy resolution 8x8 of the thermal camera, that's pointless. So when it comes to thermal camera, I will make a video. It should come in the next few days, hope. And yes, so I will make one additional video of the programmer where I will show how to use it, how the software is, where I downloaded it from. But for now I only wanted to show you unboxing of the SVOD4, what you can expect inside, because that's all what should be. I just click, okay, there's here it's 429.24 from some seller. I don't know the guy at all, that's the first time I see this person here, and that's 455.21 plus, if we will go copy and go to Google, £2. Okay, so that's pounds, so that's dollars. So 367, so I paid about 370 and then about £80 duty on top of that, so it's not a small amount, because we're talking about 450 odd quid, yes, for the SVOD, which is pretty much dear, yes, which is maybe not double what I would pay here in the UK, but I've seen 260 euros, and then fees, additional fees, and then shipping, so probably I could save about £100, probably I could. I'm not sure, I'm guessing here, but it's looking like I could save, but I didn't want to wait, you know, this was quick delivery. I would say it was 1 week delivery or less from Lithuania, so I went for this. But I've got huge hopes. There is one module as well for the SVOD. It's a software, okay, and the software allows you to plug in BIOS chip here if you connect it the right way, and it will recognize which chip you've plugged in, and then by recognizing the BIOS chip, it's capable of pulling all the database, the whole database of the BIOS is compatible with that chip. So this way, you know, you don't struggle and you can work quicker with those BIOS. So we will be looking into those solutions. Yes, one, we will be looking into the regular software for SVOD, and we will be looking, you know, how the procedure is working. And then the second one, I will be looking into that extra software so that we can pull all the data. I know it was compatible with SVOD3, but it's not about the programmer as much as it's only with the BIOSes. So we will see how it will work. But for today, that's everything. That's all I wanted to show you guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.